Wanna take it slow, but you never have time out. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Ollie, and today I'm coming to you with a fresh face and fresh hair to show you how I moisturize my low porosity type 4 hair and how to achieve a quick and easy braid out. Timestamps and all the products that I use in this video, including the ones I use to wash and condition my hair, will be in the description box down below. And if you haven't already, subscribe and join the fam and watch until the end. My hair is 80% dry. It dried pretty well with the hair towel, and I will link it in the description box down below. Right now I'm using Shea Moisture to go through my hair, and I'm finger detangling. I find that when I finger detangle, I experience less breakage. And after I use the Shea Moistures, then I use actual shea butter, and I run that through my hair. So you're probably wondering, why am I using a blow dryer? So for low porosity hair, it means your cuticles are a little tighter, and as a result, it's harder for moisture and products to absorb into the hair. So I'm using heat strategically to help open up the cuticles so that the products that I put on top of my hair can actually absorb pretty well. I'm also using a blow dryer because it's better to do braid outs on low porosity hair when your hair is 95% dry. I'm using castor oil just to massage it through my hair. After I have massaged it through my hair, I'm going to split that section of my hair into 3 equal parts. The key for having a very defined braid out, especially when you're using big chunks of hair, is to avoid borrowing hair from the sections that you split into equal parts. Once I've reached the bottom of my braid, I then put some creams and castor oil at the tip of the hair, and then I just swirl it around my finger, just so that when I do the braid out takedown, the end of the hair still look pretty nice. I'm using another section of the hair just to show you the process of how I moisturize my hair, so you can see the steps again. Good morning, now it's the next day, and what you're going to see me do is do the braid out takedown. What I do first is I just like to moisturize my scalp. So I take castor oil, put it into a little applicator, and then I would just put it through my scalp. I then use that same castor oil and I put it on my hands, make sure my hands are nice and moisturized, and that helps with avoiding frizz when you're doing your braid out. This is my favorite part. It's time to get that fro big. So what you're going to do here, and what you see me doing, is just separating those braids into smaller sections, but separate them in like where they would naturally separate. But frizz is good sometimes, don't get me wrong. I like a little frizz, but before you get there, if you want the braid out to last multiple days, you might want to avoid having the frizz on the same day. This is where you get that fro big, honey. Just fluff it up. You can use a afro comb to do this. I just use my fingers to just fluff up my fro, and yeah, shake it, honey. Shake, shake. You did it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did love it, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for staying till the end, and sending you peace, love, and